Feeding the kitties? Go ahead. Go ahead, feed the kitties. Good job. Yeah, get more. Get some more? Yeah, go ahead and feed the kitties. Okay.
Oh, no.
You got it.
Is that good?
Is that good? You pick it up? Such a big girl.
Is that good?
Yep, that's kitty food. Oh, you're so funny. Here, Mommy will help you pick it up. I got it. Here you go. Here you go, get some more food for the kitties.
Mom?
I'm taking a video of you. That's what I'm doing.
Wow.
Wow, we almost lost it. Okay, be careful. Good job. What are you doing? You're being funny. Get some more. Oh no. Get some more food for the kitties if it's not full yet. What are you doing now? Hey. Get some more food. Get some more, Lily. Now you're making a mess. You normally do a lot better. I don't know what you're doing. Goofing off. Okay. Now go get some more. Good girl. Hey, Lillian. What's on your shirt? Who's on your shirt?
It's your Papa.
Yeah, SpongeBob. It's on your pants, too? Yeah.
Your Papa.
Yeah. You're so cute. Hey, I love you. Say, hey, I love you. Say, I love you.
What's that? So baby?
Yep, that's flowers. You're so cute. You're a big girl.
What's your Mom?
I'm taking a video of you, Lily.
Daddy?
Is that for the kitty?
Okay. Go.
Coco?
Okay.
Good job.
So go.
Yep, that's for Coco.
Your Bobby? Your Mom?
You gonna put it in the kitty's dish? You gonna feed the kitty? No? Now you're just playing. You're silly. Are you silly? Hey, Lillian. You're so cute.
What's he?
Where's the kitty? I don't know. Is he out there? Go find the kitty.
Okay. Kitty.
Where's that kitty at, Lillian? Go find him.
Kitty.
Where is he? Tater. Here, kitty, 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 kitty. Say kitty. Lillian. I seen him. There he is. It's right there. He's right there. Look, Lillian. There, see? Oh. Where you going now? Oh, let the puppy in.
No.
Unlock it. That's a good job. Okay, now shut the door. Yeah, sweet pea. Okay, lock it. Hey, you gotta lock it. Get back and lock it. Good job, kiddos.